Hey guys, getting ready to go to Dinosaur Valley State Park, taking a few items into the trailer, and I'm kind of getting everything ready. As soon as my wife's off work, we are heading out. So we'll get started as soon as we roll the intro. And of course, we always start these videos with the basics. Coffee. Come along with us as we take you to Dinosaur Valley State Park. Well, I am putting the air in the tires on the RV, making sure everything is up to the right speed. As you can see, I'm needing to put about a pound or two, so I'm just using this tool. I have a link in the description for that. It's called an AirHawk Pro, but anyway, something you can get on Amazon. If you're only needing a pound or two of pressure in the tires, it works real good for it. Anyway, that's the magic number. We always want to check the leaf springs and all up underneath the frame. Just make sure everything is doing good, ready for the trip. We're always going to look around these connections real good on all sides and, you know, make sure nothing's cracked, make sure everything is doing good on these. And I'm going to get under every tire and look at it. Also, it's real important, check out your frame here, and where it usually tends to stress crack is up around the front of the frame, so we'll check that out too. And we'll be good to go. So this, and a lot of things from hitting dips, this is kind of the piece that will end up cracking, so I always keep a real good eye on that. It is always good if your frame don't break in half while you're driving. Now I'm also going to check my propane, and I looked at it before I turned everything off, but before you're leaving it's a good idea. That way if you need to refill it you can. So anyway, going to check that out. So probably the easiest thing to do on this is I'm just going to pull the lid of this thing. You can see how this is red, so just want to make sure, you know, you can check it either way on there, but with it turned with this knob, it's called a crossover valve. And with it turned this way, if I turn the propane on, that should flip to green. There it goes. So now it's green. If that turned off and this turned on, it should stay green. If it, yep. So I think I'm doing good propane, at least for a couple of day trip. This one should be getting before too long to where I'll have to change it, but this crossover system is set up to where if this one runs out while you're camping, it'll automatically switch over to the other side. Alright, so everything looks good on that. Always check kind of the connections, the hoses, make sure everything's tightened down on there good. Now I'll put the lid back on. So it is Independence Day. It is the 4th of July, and I'm grabbing a few things from the stores and getting everything ready. My wife had to work a couple of hours, and then we are gonna head to the Dinosaur Valley State Park. Well, I forgot to take the wheel locks off, so my truck couldn't go anywhere. Anyway, took off the wheel locks, and now I am pulling out. Well, the dogs are excited. Now we're officially out on the road, getting ready to go. We're ready to lock the gate. She said I'm hot.
It's hot.
Oh, it's
I'm
hot.
hot.
Yeah. Anyway, we're off to have some fun.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago. but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time.
Hey, honey.
Hey, Jeffrey.
What does Luke Skywalker say on the 4th of July?
May the 4th be with you.
She's too smart for me. There's a dinosaur. Don't look at any of that. Firewood. Fossil shop. Now go ahead, baby. Tell them your question you asked me.
There was a fossil. How can I do it? There was a fossil shop back there, and I asked him if he needed to check in first.
See, I get no respect.
It was a genuine question.
Yeah, we're almost there. Well, we are here at the park and I'm going to go inside and get checked in.
But there's pretty good like ice cream shops around here. Shoe flies.
Hey, this guy's got a real neat little museum thing of dinosaurs. I'll show it to you. Got these and fossils and stuff in here. Anyway, pretty cool little place. Well, we finally got out here. It's 185 degrees outside, I think. Anyway, so we're just kind of cooling off after setting up the RV. About to cook some hot dogs and get some scruffage. Hey guys, thanks for watching. We appreciate you guys, and please take a second, click on the like, the subscribe. Leave me any comments down below and share these videos with your friends. Click on the bell to be notified so you'll see other videos we release, and check out some of these other videos. Go to the site, look around. We have a lot of videos on different topics there. Once again, thank you, and we'll see you on the next video.